The hoop stress calculator for thin wall pressure vessels calculates the circumferential stress in cylindrical pressure vessels. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric, which uses MPa and millimeters, or imperial, which uses PSI and inches. For this demonstration, I'll use metric. Next, enter your internal pressure in MPa. This is the pressure inside your vessel. Then input the diameter in millimeters. This is the vessel's internal diameter. Finally, enter the wall thickness in millimeters. After clicking Calculate Hoop Stress, the calculator provides your results. The hoop stress value represents the circumferential stress acting tangentially around the vessel wall. This is typically the highest stress in a thin-walled pressure vessel and is critical for design verification. The calculator also shows whether your vessel qualifies as thin-walled based on the diameter to thickness ratio. Understanding these values helps ensure your pressure vessel design meets safety requirements and prevents failure under operating conditions. This tool streamlines what would otherwise be a manual calculation process. Find the link in the description below.